So welcome back. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, I forgot to do question D. Question D says, sketch the parabola and determine the domain and range. So for question D, the parabola is something like this. I don't know. It may or may not go to the origin, but that's -4 1/3, and that's, I don't know. This is like what, -5/4? Right? So that's the answer. That's the vertex. But to answer the question, it kind of connects really to domain and range. And the domain, notice there's arrows, it keeps on going forever. So the domain for this, x belongs to all real numbers. That's how you write it, right? In fact, just as a small disclaimer, all quadratics have x ER. They're always right. The exception is if there's a condition that would actually change it, right? So that's the domain. And that's what you're looking in terms of the x component. What's the range? Well, a lot of you realize it's above -33 and -33/8, which is -33, 4 and 1/8. So what will you write? Y is greater than or equal to -4, whatever. -33, whatever. That's good enough to do that. A lot of you really realize that's the k value of the vertex. And that's why some of you might have asked in grade 10, when there was a question actually, a question. They actually called this the range, because it is. It's the range. So it's the y component. Oops, that's. That's how you see it. It's just above that value. And that's it. So you just got to make sure you're being aware of the direction of opening of the parabola for its range. So example 3 is actually really good. It's just a little awkward because the numbers are kind of weird. Okay? Anyways, I'm going to stop there. That's officially the last question.